Hello, this is Dr. Steele. Today I want to talk to you about something that most of my patients ask me. And sometimes they ask me because they have gone to the hospital and they're concerned that if it was the right thing to do. And I'm talking about when they go to the hospital, they stop all the personal, almost all of them, the medications that they were taking at home, they stop most of them and they give them what they need to get in the hospital, new medications that they maybe they never heard of. And the reason for that is not only because the hospital has different types of medications available, but also because they want to make sure that the medications the patient is taking is not something that's going to last a long time if they need to reverse or they need to avoid a side effect. So, for instance, sometimes patients are taking pills for diabetes, and sometimes they take an insulin. But once they're in the hospital, because how some medications work as far as diabetes, which is what I treat, they stop those and they just give them insulin. And they use a term called sliding scale of insulin. So they're being monitored more closely by the nurses and they're being given instead of pills, insulin. And that's okay. So I want to get this point across because some patients get concerned that, oh, I'm not taking the medications that my doctor prescribed, but those medications are reserved for the outside of the hospital. So just remember that and don't be afraid to ask your doctor if that was okay. And that's a point I wanted to convey because most of my patients get stressed out and they get frustrated because the hospital is not giving them medications that they used to take. And that's okay. So that's my talk for today. It's different when you have somebody in the hospital, the medications are going to change. And when you're home, the medications are going to be the ones the doctor prescribed to you when you're not in the hospital. So that's my talk for today. Talk to you soon. And remember, the greatest wealth is health. Talk to you soon.